Equity model 30220 weather forecast alarm clock. This clock is actually very incredible. It gives you indoor temperature and humidity, weather forecast icons, 12-hour temperature graph, 12 or 24-hour digital time. It has comfort level icons, a calendar, full functioning alarm clock with snooze, LED backlight on demand. The range for the temperature is pretty good. It goes from 32 to 122 degrees with the indoor humidity range at 20% to 99%. This is basically the office weather station desk alarm clock, and what I like about it too is the bottom comes off and you can actually hang it on the wall. Very nice. Quality and Equity model 30220.